With 2021 being almost over, did I hit my gold stacking goals for 2021? How you doing, everybody? Welcome to Empire Precious Metals. If you're new to the channel, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a guy talking about precious metals, so make sure you blast that subscribe button, get the bell notification clicked, that way you get updated with any new content. Today I'll be discussing my gold stacking goals of 2021, and did I hit those goals? First of all, again, those of you that are new to the channel, I appreciate you watching. Please make sure that you hit that like button. It means a lot for the algorithm in sharing out this video. Today I am going to revisit a goal that I had for myself for 2021, and that was to stack a substantial amount of gold. The amount was to reach 40 ounces by the end of the year. Now, at the time of the recording of this video, we're getting towards the end of November of 2021. Now, did I reach that goal of reaching 40 ounces of gold? I'm going to show you what I was able to accumulate and explain what I did to try and reach that goal. And was I successful? Was I not successful? And the reasons for it. So first of all, why don't we just dive right in? And I think the easiest thing is going to be for me to get right to the fractional gold. And for those of you that watch these videos, a lot of people like this box that was sent to me as a gift from Darth Stacker. If you're interested in getting yourself this box to hold some of your coins, the link is going to be down in the description, so by all means check it out. So why don't I look at the fractional gold, and I'm going to tally everything up as we go along, and hopefully I've reached my goal of 40 ounces. First things first, over here, we've got 10th ounce gold eagles. These are type 2 gold eagles. I did have a lot of type 1 gold eagles over the last, I would say, 6-8 years or so, but as gold comes in every once in a while on my YouTube auctions, which is Tuesday evening, 7 p.m. Eastern, people make me offers that I cannot refuse for my gold eagles. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, looks like I have some type 1s and type 2s mixed in. So I think I have got 5 and 5. Either way, I've got a total of 10 1/10 ounce gold eagles, as you can see here. Why don't we just put those to the side for a total of 1 ounce right there. And then I have 5 10th ounce gold Britannias. These are the 2021 gold Brits. Those of you that are familiar, these have a beautiful design and some really, really cool safety or security features, I should say. You've got the padlock and trident there that kind of changes as you move it around. You've got a couple other security features in the waves and what have you. Just a very cool coin. So I ended up getting 5 of these. I've had more over the last year, but again, I buy and sell them all the time. So I did manage to hold on to at least 5 of these. So now we're up to 1.5 ounces of 10th ounce gold. And then over here, I do have 3 1/10 ounce gold coins as well, which are MS69s. So I'm going to actually put these off to the side here as well. And so now we are at 1.8 ounces of gold as I just knock everything over and bump into my tripod. Let's just put this right there. Stay put. Put that there. All right, there we go. So we have, let me look at my paper here. We've got 1.8 ounces of gold when it comes to the 10th ounce gold coins. Moving right along, we've got 1/4 ounce gold here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 1/4 ounce gold eagles, one of which happens to be a proof. So we've got another ounce right there, plus a gold Britannia 1/4 ounce gold coin. So right now that gives us 1.25 ounces of gold in 1/4 ounce gold coins, bringing the current total to 3.05 ounces of gold. Then I also happen to have 1/2 ounce gold eagles right here. Here we got the 1/2 ounce gold eagles. Got one proof there, and it's Roman numeral. So you've got now another ounce of gold, actually 2 ounces of gold here, bringing the total to 5.05 ounces of gold. All right. What are you guys thinking? Am I going to make my goal? What do you think? And then let's talk about the full ounce gold coins. Here I've got a variety of 1 ounce gold eagles, both type 1 and type 2. Here's a type 2. I don't really care whether I have type 1s or type 2s, to be honest with you. I just stack the gold eagles for weight. So here I have 8. Plus, I've got the 1 gold eagle that I got for spot with Atmex's Black Friday deals. So when I add that, that's 9, along with, right here, we've got 6 gold buffalo coins. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gold buffaloes. All right, so 9 plus the 6 that's now 15. And then down here, I'm doing the full ounce coins right now. We've got 4 gold maples. I didn't add any gold maples to my stack this year. Let's put these down here. 4. And then right here, we've got the 1 ounce gold completer coin. Queen's Beast Gold Completer. I did not collect the series, but I did like this coin, and it was inexpensive when you compared it to the cost of a regular gold eagle. And then this proof 1 ounce gold round, which is from the John Wick movies, also very, very inexpensive in comparison to a 1 ounce gold eagle. So I picked it up for the weight, plus it adds variety to the stack. A 1 ounce gold Britannia, again, beautiful coin. Love the design. Dare I say it's better than the American Gold Eagle in terms of design. Also, security features, much better, more advanced technologically than the 1 ounce gold eagles. So I've got that. And then, of course, those of you familiar with the channel, I like Scrooge McDuck. So here we got the 1 ounce Scrooge McDuck. So when I add up the 8 plus the 1 gold eagle coming from Atmex, that's 9 plus 6, 15, plus these coins here, that's an additional 23 ounces of gold, bringing the total right now to 28.05 ounces. Now I'm going to move on to the pre-33. Now the pre-33 gold, those of you that are unfamiliar, pre-33 refers to any gold coins struck prior to 1933 from the Gold Confiscation Act. And these coins, not only are they beautiful and have a lot of history behind them, but they also have some oddball weights when it comes to the gold coin. So for example, this gold Indian coin right here, it's actually 0.12 ounces of gold weight within this coin. So we've got 0.12, and then we've got 4 right here of the $5 eagles. All right, the $5 eagles right here, that is actually, each of these are 0.24 ounces of gold, which comes to 0.96. So let's put these right over here. And then we have a $10 eagle right there, a full eagle gold coin. I actually had a double eagle, which I did sell privately to somebody via Instagram and YouTube. They were interested, they made me an offer, and I accepted. But this actually has 0.48 ounces of gold. It's close to a half an ounce of gold within this coin. So we've got 0.48 there. And then when we come down here to the St. Gaudens 1907, this is actually, I think, the first pre-33 gold coin that I purchased. Just a gorgeous coin. This actually has 0.9675 ounces of gold. The rest of it consists of copper. Beautiful coin. And many of you that are familiar with the Gold Eagles, you could see it's the same design right there on the obverse. So we've got the St. Gaudens, which we're going to add 0.9675. And then down here, we've got the $10 Indian head. And the $10 Indian head actually has 0.48375 ounces of gold. So total for my pre-33 gold, which is right over here and over here, the pre-33 gold is 3.01125 ounces of gold, bringing my current total to 31.06125 ounces of gold, which then leaves me with my last gold coin. which is the 50 pesos. This thing is a meaty sucker. This is 1.2057 ounces of gold. Very popular. The Mexican coinage is very, very popular amongst stackers and collectors alike. So this big coin, 1.2057 ounces of gold, brings my total to 32.26695 ounces of gold, missing the mark by roughly, I would say, 8 ounces. I missed the goal by 8 ounces. Now, mind you, yes, we are towards the end of November. We still have the month of December, but the likelihood of me stacking just under 8 ounces of gold during the month of December with the holiday shopping and everything is probably slim to none. So what happened? How come I did not reach my goal of 40 ounces of gold? It's actually very, very simple. I had a big car that I wanted to purchase, a very large and expensive truck. And the vehicle cost right around $90,000. And in order for me to have as little of a payment as possible, I needed to put down a substantial down payment. And I actually ended up selling about 5 ounces of gold just to free up some funds. That way, I was able to put down a larger down payment on the vehicle, lowering my monthly payments. Now, over the course of the next few years, I'm not concerned in that I will be stacking gold substantially. I do have another video that I will be putting out talking about my goals for 2022. But at the end of the day, I had the option of selling off some gold and taking that cash and putting it towards a down payment to lower my monthly bills when it comes to the car payment, or hold on to that gold, put down less money, and have a larger payment. It was a no-brainer. Come to think of it, what I maybe should have done also is probably even sold off more gold and had less of a payment. However, this was what I was comfortable in doing. I figured 5 ounces of gold wasn't a major hit and that I would be able to replace that money rather quickly. So I'm already actually stacking right now the gold and regaining it back. I almost looked at it as if it was like a bridge loan to myself. A lot of people, and I've received a lot of comments from people within the stacking community, that they're upset when they have to sell off their silver and gold for bills and what have you. And you have to remember, while this is awesome to look at and to see it accumulate, it's also like a savings account. It's there for when you need it. Obviously, you want to try to not touch it. The nice thing about this is that it adds an extra step in the process, that when you are trying to free up money, in order to get that money, you actually have to find a buyer. You have to go somewhere. So it adds that step of discipline, if you will. So for me, I'm still going to be stacking rather hard, but that is why I missed my goal. So I missed it just under 8 ounces, which is pretty significant. I think when I made my last New Year's resolution video, I was only at, I think, like 20 ounces of gold, and my goal was to double my ounces to 40. And so I did not get there. But I'm curious as to all of you and your goals. Have you reached your goals for 2022? Did you miss? And in terms of silver, that's a different video that I'll do. But really, primarily, this was just to focus on my gold. But anyway, let me know down below in the comments, did you reach your goals for 2021? And what are you going to be doing for 2022? And I would like to quickly thank these elite channel supporters. And if you haven't already become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, this is Empire Precious Metals. Until next time, long live the Empire.